Alkonost is a legendary bird-like creature with a female human head that appears in Slavic folklore. Some say it's a gorgeous creature with a seductive voice and look that draws in humans. This shape-shifting species, which looks like a cross between a bird and a person, is claimed to be breathtaking. The bottom half of the creature is a sophisticated bird with eagle-like features, and the upper half is a lovely woman with flowing locks and piercing eyes. Those noises the Alkonost generates are probably its best-known feature. According to numerous folk tales from the Slavic world, the song that comes from its throat is both mighty and alluring. They say that once someone has heard these noises, they will never be able to experience joy again. The Alkonost is both a sight to behold and a joy to be around. It is a beautiful, submissive creature that flies around happily, singing a magnificent and hypnotic song. She can captivate and mentally paralyze her listeners, making them forget about everything except listening to her enchanting vocals and melodies. There is a quiet before the storm lasting 7 days before the eggs fully hatch. So goes one version of the Slavic folk tale. The Alkonost comes from ancient Greece, while the Iranian mythological bird has become popular in Russia.